After a few funny videos, shorts about $10 PC, I want to make a video about how this project became and what's future of it. So how did I first started 1 month ago, decided because of situation on the market, everything is expensive and all. I wanted to make video about $100 build, how you can play enjoy games for $100 like every game, because CPU has new instructions, yeah. But after that video, because I saw it's easy to make, I decided let's make something for fun for $10 and try hard, yeah. Because for $10 you can't buy even all the parts you can buy for cheap, especially like these collectibles parts that were really expensive in its time. Like this case was a few €100 or dollars when it was new 20 years ago. And what's the secret to buy cheap parts? Secret is to be active, to look and ask people regularly what they have, to buy from them regularly. And I was looking in this case for uh, water coolers, yeah, IO water coolers, and I'm collecting them. I already bought from one guy few these Thermaltake big waters, and I asked him, hey, do you have some Thermaltake big water or something like that, Zellman Resorator or something like that? And he said, no, I don't have anything, I just left a few broken ones. And I told him, okay, that's great, can you sell me that broken one? He told me reservoir is broken, it's leaking, pump is noisy. And I say, okay, do you have anything else from parts? Because shipment is $20, I will buy broken water cooler for $2-3, yeah. He told me, okay, I have some motherboard to give you, I have some graphic card that's without fans, power supply dead, without cables. And I say, okay, how much? All of that, $10. Okay, but what's funny is that shipment was $30 and parts were $10. Yeah, PC build is $10 and shipment is $30. Yeah, for used scrap. Yeah. So what I did, you see, I cleaned the motherboard. It was really dirty. I used first tap water and detergent. After that, distilled water and the contact cleaner. Contact cleaner is more expensive than whole build. Yeah, that's also irony. But you need to do that, because if you use only tap water and detergent, motherboard will corrode after a few months and it will start making bugs, and that's bad. So this motherboard was okay, it was really dirty, and PC case was also really dirty, sticky, it was smelly on tobacco. I had also to wash PC case. It's really nice, 20 years old, Cooler Master stock here. You can buy it in good condition for $50, but this one was unhygienic, and it had his front panel is broken. Yeah, doesn't work good. Buttons doesn't work good, and now I will try to open it and fix it. I already had problems with another case, Cooler Master Cosmos, and I fixed it. And yeah, for processors. I bought 5 years ago 20 processors, some Corva Duos, Core 2 Quads, Xeons for 20 processors for $10 also. So one processor is maybe 50 cents here. This big water that's broken, I fix a reservoir with epoxy. I opened the CPU block and it was heavily corroded, and I don't know what did they use in it, some color or some substrate for water cooling. It was clogged with it. Water couldn't go through it. I use heat. I use after the heat acid and salt solution for cleaning copper, and after that it started working like new, because pump was noisy because it couldn't flow, water couldn't flow. Yeah. Put new battery on motherboard. Power supply, I had to fix 5-volt rail and it didn't have cables. I use cables from EVGA, that's good, and some cables from RideMax, that's bad. They are shit, really bad. And the rest of the case, PC case was good. Fans are like new. That's I don't understand. Fans are like new. Case is dirty. Some mystery is about it. That hard disk cage in front with that like new Cooler Master fan. It isn't from that case. It can connect. Fan can connect with the motherboard. I don't know. Some mysteries about that. Graphic card was without fans, without plastic, didn't work good. It gave me in the start a little yellow picture with lines. I had to clean it with the contact cleaner. DVI port was good. Only bad thing about this build is that graphic card that needs to go. It's ugly. It has 3 gigs of RAM, VRAM. It's power hungry. Can be problematic. That models can be problematic. I had in my stash for 10 years some fans from similar model, Dual-X, and same plastic for that toxic model. Yeah. So I installed Windows last night. I tested it on the defaults, lit up debloated Windows, installed driver for graphic card modder driver from some Indonesian team. Maybe name as I don't know what's name now. God bless Indonesia. Yeah, they care for EMD more than company. Yeah, for its customers. Yeah, I don't expect a lot from this build now because it has only 6 gigs of RAM. A lot of online games will work good, like Dota. Maybe PUBG will suffer from 6 gigs of RAM. I couldn't invest more these days because it will be theme of this video is $10 build, yeah, and it will be more expensive if I buy RAM now. So I will have to test it with 6 gigs and that's it. PC works okay. Installation of Windows was heavy because of 100 and something gig simple hard disk, not SSD, so it will improve when I change it. All fun about this was to make this build. There is like 1 million videos on the YouTube about Core 2 Quad and games. Yeah, I just wanted to make video with good parts, with high quality parts, not some small form factor PC from the trash can. People make videos only like that. They pick up already finished build thrown from some company in the trash can, and they put graphic card, and that's it.